Okay, and again we've got a little JDM Nissan, I think, nearby. I don't know, but it's been used as living quarters or a home. So hello, brother. How you doing? Living quarters. Again, quite a rare sight. I'm looking at the plate, TAP 409. It's an old plate, not one of the modern ones, but it's an old piece of kit. And hey, brother. These people are so friendly. And yeah, it's been used as a home stroke car, but it's out of necessity, not out of choice here. Now if you look here, this is a very old example of PUJ, I think. I'm going to go and scoot around the front of it. Very square, very boxy. Yeah, it's going to have a snout. Very square, very boxy. Let's look out here. It's been used as storage. Yeah, being used for storage. It's an old, I think it's Toyota. I think these were Toyotas, I'm not sure. If any of you guys in the Philippines did a Gary B bong, if you could tell me what this is, be most appreciated. It's rough as they come. Just been used to keep stuff in. I think it's been vandalised a little bit, and somebody may be sleeping on the front there. So yeah, everything's utilised, everything's used, and there's a background of that, whatever it was, Nissan or whatever, there. And you compare it to this is a new Mitsubishi, Toyota even. I think it's Toyota. A couple of Asong Aspins. I'm not allowed to call them Asgals anymore, they're Aspins. Asong Pinay. It's just your Isuzu, standard Isuzu. Not particularly interesting other than the fact it's got a couple of dogs under it. Let's move on.